In the east of the Democratic Republic of the Congo, parts have been collapsing due to armed conflicts for over 10 years. Access to top quality care is nearly impossible. In Goma, the capital of the North Kivu province, which hosts thousands of displaced people, healthcare facilities are overwhelmed by patients. Most do not have beds or the appropriate kits to treat the sick. To address these needs, the organization Cupra Democratic Republic of the Congo, in collaboration with Cupra Australia, has provided hospital kits to 2 hospitals in the city of Goma. David Kouabou, coordinator of Congolese United for Peace and Reconciliation in Australia and in the Democratic Republic of the Congo.
I am Mr. David Kouabou.
Goodbye.
The coordinator of the United Congolese Organization for Peace and Reconciliation in Australia. We first say thank you, as we are a charitable organization working on peace reconciliation in the province of North Kivu, in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. We thank our partner, Cupra Australia, along with our frontline partner, Rotary Australia Community Service, who has just provided us with hospital equipment to address the healthcare needs in the North Kivu province. What we see are hospital beds, trolleys, and water. There are hospital kits, and we really thank Rotary for these actions, which will also contribute. To help our population, you know that the northern province is a devastated area with many displacements due to war from here and there. So hospitals are full of patients. And through these actions we have taken today, we have just delivered hospital supplies to the Notre d'Afrique Hospital. We know this will help our community. We ask our partner in Australia. We first thank our partner Cupra Australia, as well as our President Leandre, who continues to work tirelessly to help us, to help our population that has suffered recently. And we say thank you. What we will ask our partner again is that we still have enormous needs, and we want our partner to continue helping our population in the northern province that concerns you. There is a population suffering from this ongoing war and all that history. Specifically, we thank Cupra Australia and the entire team there. And we also thank our own team, Democratic Republic of the Congo, because what we are doing is charitable acts. There isn't really any the money we are receiving, but we give it for free to alleviate the suffering of our population in the Democratic Republic of Congo, specifically in the North Kivu province.
Dr. Katongo Patrick, the medical director at Notre d'Afrique Hospital in Goma, one of the facilities that received equipment, thanked the benefactors from Cupra Australia for their commendable gestures.
My name is Dr. Katsongo Patrick, and I am the medical director of the Notre d'Afrique Hospital Center, located in the Karisimbi Health Zone in Goma, North Kivu. In any case, we say thank you very much, especially to our partner Cupra. Cupra has really given us a lot of equipment. We have received many beds. There are hospital beds, there are carts, and also delivery beds for pregnant women. And especially, you know that in our health zone, we have many war-displaced people where we can even assist with childbirth, at least 10 to 15 women per day. And now, Cupra has just provided us with a truly beautiful delivery bed for these women. There are also hospital beds with some drip stands and good mattresses. We sincerely ask Cupra Australia to continue this charitable act and to provide us with even more, because we need it, really need it. I can truly say that our hospital did not have all this equipment, and today we are really grateful to Cupra for providing us with impeccable, sophisticated equipment that will serve the community. Thank you very much. In any case, this equipment will help us greatly because recently, with the influx of displaced people, there are patients lying on the floor. But now with this bed equipment, we can truly place the patients on comfortable beds. Yes, we really are in great need. We are in great need. This is a step, but we are really in great need. If there are other materials, they are very welcome here to help the population that is truly suffering. Okay, recently, I can say, for example, our hospital has certain limitations. However, in dealing with war displaced people, we are more than 120 to 150. And here we are, there are even patients in the corridors. Yes, who are staying in hallways because the facility is too small.
The Cupra organization is active in Northern Province, offering programs for peaceful coexistence by supporting local communities living together.